Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to crochet this corset belt. And it's so simple to crochet it, and the following are the requirements. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll be using a navy blue color yarn, and it's a Sega yarn. Most of the time I usually use robin yarn, but today I'll be trying a new brand of yarn. After that, I will be using a 3.5mm hook, a measuring tape, and a pair of scissors. For this belt, I'll be using a bean stitch pattern, and for this pattern, we'll be using a multiple of 2 plus 1 stitch. So let's get into it. We'll start by making a slip stitch. We'll start by making a slip knot as usual, and this is how I make my slip knot. Then insert the hook on that big loop. After that, tighten the loop and start chaining. So what we are making here, it's the width of the belt, and for the width I chained 24 stitches. So chain 24 stitches, and after that I'll be here to show you what to do next. After chaining the 24 stitches, chain one more stitch, that's to make it 25 stitches. So chain one more stitch. Then after that we'll be making the bean stitch. So skip the first stitch. Then onto the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through the yarn over, then insert the hook again, pull through the yarn, and you should have 4 loops on your hook. Then yarn over all the 4 loops on your hook at the same time. After that, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and onto the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through the yarn, then yarn over, insert the hook again and pull through the yarn. You should have 4 loops on your hook, then pull yarn over all of them at the same time, and after that, chain 1, skip the next stitch, then onto the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through the yarn, then yarn over, insert the hook again, pull through the yarn, then yarn over all the 4 loops at the same time, and after that, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and onto the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through the yarn, then yarn over, insert the hook again, pull through the yarn, then yarn over all the 4 loops at the same time, and after that, chain 1. Repeat this up to the end of this row, and I'll meet you at the last stitch of this row to show you what to do next. On the last stitch of this row, you just place another bean stitch on it. So after chaining 1 from the previous stitch, just insert the hook onto the next stitch, pull through the yarn, then yarn over, insert the hook again, then pull through the yarn, then yarn over all the 4 loops at the same time, and after that, chain 1. After that, chain 2 to end this row and to start a new row. Turn your work around, and if you observe on your pattern, between the bean stitches there are 2 holes, and you'll be placing another bean stitch onto the first hole. So place a bean stitch over there like I'm doing. completed the row of single crochet and we'll be doing something a bit different. So start by chaining first, chain 4, then turn your work around, skip the next stitch, and onto the next stitch place a double crochet. So skip the next stitch and onto the next stitch place a double crochet, and after that chain 1, skip the next stitch, and onto the next stitch place a double crochet, After reaching to the point where you have placed your stitch marks, start a new row by chaining 2 and turn your work around. So we'll be making the bean stitch on this single crochet. On this section, I'll be showing you how to attach the strap on the back side of the top, and this is just an estimate of what you should be doing. So just estimate where you will attach the strap, and I'll be using a needle to attach the strap on the back side of the top. So repeat this on this strap and onto the other strap. A lot of design that I'm coming up with, and I'll be sharing them with you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can't miss out. Bye.